Alright, today we're gonna be making a grilled chicken sandwich. First, you're gonna get a knife,
What's your name?
a peanut butter. That's my name, peanut butter.
Yeah.
You need peanut butter and you need a marshmallow fluff. And then you're gonna take the peanut butter.
Where's the chicken?
We're not making
It's
it.
right here.
Chicken.
And you're gonna take the peanut butter on one. There we go. Just spread it with your finger. Alrighty. That's a peanut butter. You want to get a lot so you have more flavor.
Ah, yes.
Is this enough, Mom? This is what I usually
No.
do. That's not enough?
Heck no.
That's usually what I do.
How do you
Alright,
get any nutrients from that? It's basically just a piece of bread.
some peanut butter. Then you're gonna add more so you get more nutrients.
The peanut butter is the only healthy part.
Quick, pose for the thumbnail.
Huh?
Pose for the thumbnail. Nice. Nice.
Then you're gonna lick your fingers, then reach in the other one. Just kidding. Then you're gonna I'm making two, so I'm gonna keep the knife with peanut butter. Then you're gonna start making the other one.
Nice.
Evan, Reggie, what is happening?
Guys, I got in a car crash yesterday on camera. Just kidding, not on camera. But I got in a car crash. I'm scared.
Okay, we don't care.
show 'em
Get
who-
back to the peanut butter.
Show them who's recording. It is the.
Hey guys, I'm the recorder.
That's all you say. Hey guys, I'm the recorder. Alrighty. And then after you get the peanut butter on,
Hey editor, cut that car crash out. That's for another YouTube video.
yeah,
That's good clickbait though.
yeah, I know. I can make another video that says the story of the car crash. Alright, so once you get all the peanut butter off on the sandwiches, you're gonna take it, you're gonna lick it all off. I'll wash it off, not lick it.
Remember, don't cut your finger with the knife.
Yeah, don't cut your finger. Alrighty, I'm gonna dry it. Ow! Alright.
Ow.
Then you wanna get the marshmallow cream. I wanna take it and just eat it. Just kidding. You wanna take
He's
it?
just kidding, guys.
You wanna take it and you just wanna rub it on. Like rubbing off the paint, the song by YBN Namir.
No one knows who that is.
Everyone knows who that is.
Who?
Stop hammering. Someone's hammering outside. I'm gonna go stab him with a knife. Quick bait.
Don't lick your lips. Don't do it.
Alright, just gonna get a little bit more and rub it on. And now I can show you the masterpiece, alright?
In the cup holder
Come here.
of your car.
Oh, you gotta finish both of them.
Alright, and we're doing both.
Sorry, guys, he's a noob. Wait, do the
Quick tutorial.
tornado. Oh wait, that's another YouTube video.
What?
Tornado.
Oh yeah. We have endless possibilities.
Yes.
Another YouTube video would be my cruise to Alaska.
Oh yes. Oh, another YouTube video would be.
No, not Fortnite.
I wasn't gonna say that. What the heck? Or I was gonna say our scooter and pennyboard adventures.
Yeah.
What Fortnite?
Some video game that you play a lot.
Wait. Sounds stupid.
It's not.
Man, summer's gonna be boring.
No, it's not.
If this is what you're doing for entertainment.
No one's home right now. They're all. Colin's at Young Life and
Alright, and then you're gonna take the sandwich. And then you're gonna
Sam's Tennessee.
put it
I
on.
need those two to have fun. You guys are the life of the party.
You're gonna put this on.
Yeah, that's why we're making
And this
YouTube
on.
video.
I'm gonna put this on. And this on. Alright, now we're gonna have my editor try it, or recorder. See if it's good. Good?
Mmm. Very yummy.
So good.
Gonna do the outro.
Alright. See you guys.